Whew. Top of the morning. Morning. No.
That's so evil. Thank you.
Popcorn.
You get some. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna hold it for you. Now, I'm gonna make you eat it, but
I got him.
you gotta stop. You gonna decline it? Did you? If you don't like chill, bro. I think I was sleeping and I kept hearing you doing that. And then we went to the shop and I kept hearing you doing that. Nah, you staring at this one. You got Tourette's? Garv, you got Tourette's?
No, maybe.
Nah, he's still. Garv definitely like autistic.
Why do you say that?
Yo.
Get the fuck out of here.
Pin the camera.
I got him. He's paying for one drop, bro. That's crazy. All right, top of the morning. My fault. I didn't do an intro, but we heading downstairs. We about to do something on the headlights of the car, so let's see about it.
It says sunny conditions. Wind up to 25.
Oh my God!
What is that? Can you read? Oh, that's racist.
That is racist. That is racist.
That's like if I went to you and asked if, what's it called, if you can read Portuguese. Obviously, how's the racist?
It's a assumption. Oh, I got you. I edited it out. Don't even trip. You good.
Word? We all get in a fucking lab tomorrow, bro.
No, bro. Stop with that.
I'm just sitting back. I'm like, yo,
Yo, he's annoying. And then he says two. I'm like, bro, you see what you did? They were easy, but still,
I'll take it.
it was like, nah. 2 labs? Isn't this the headlight plug right here? Oh, you plugged it out already. Okay.
Yeah, we put that's the one side there.
All right.
I was trying to change my own shit, but I got the wrong fucking bolt, so get the go.
If it's a bolt, then we gotta
Yo,
take
god damn! That shit leaking OD. Look at that shit. That shit leaking maximum.
That's what we doing.
You dropped one, I think.
Yo, that shit is not even in.
Yo, what the f? You gotta take the whole bumper off?
Holding that button, right?
Hold it, so whatever you do, don't let go. Let go.
Good.
both of them or one of them?
Focus on the headlight.
Yo, Mike.
I ain't here to be good. I'm here to be better than that. Instruct me which way you want this to go. That's black on negative.
Alright, so in a situation where, say, our lights weren't working or something like that, we weren't sure if it was the lights or if it wasn't the circuit itself, right? All we're doing is following this diagram and checking for power. So what we just did, we found the headlight circuit, specifically the high beams. Alright, and if you look at the high beams, the relay is controlled by a 10 amp fuse. When that circuit is closed, we get power through a white wire. Alright, when we go down to assembly, it's a white wire. Alright, so if I wasn't sure if it was the bulb or the circuit itself, I would find that same white wire, right, at both of them, which should have power only when the high beams are on. So we go to that connector. Alright, our white wire should have power when the high beam circuit is on. So,
My fault. I'm trying to see.
you gotta find
like that, run them over, bro.
that white wire, right? So that's the third one.
I'm about to look through there.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I got you. I got you.
Nothing is there right now, right? Because the high beam circuit isn't on. Somebody turn the high beam on.
Turn the high beam on.
High beam is on.
35.
That's millivolts.
Oh, yeah.
That's the exact story. $9 for chopped cheese. Look at me when I say this. Chopped cheese with bacon, eggs, lettuce, tomatoes, mayonnaise, ketchup. Yo.
Right.
Yeah, that's like $12.
That's a high beam.
14.4.
Alright.
What the bit is that?
The TP. What's your other TP?
It's supposed to move it.
So all we're reading right now is the battery that we're getting at voltage. Because once again, our vehicles are aligned in parallel. So because we have 14 volts at the battery, you're going to see 14 volts. So all of our connections. So right now.
We just brushing the soul. Whoa. I never heard that. Whoa. I never heard that. That's the the rhyme scheme was crazy. Nah, bro, that is Jordan. One of my friends, 2 weeks after I moved out, those are the first two college.
Yo, what time is it? Because we gotta go.
You can't even do that.
What time is it? Because we gotta go.
You gotta go.
We gotta go.
We gotta put the car back together.
That was already broken when we got it.
You gotta put the car.
I don't work for collision.
You don't want your fucking grade?
Bro, we're not
I'm
collision.
at this point.
We're automotive.